Where say? Say that again.
I'm coming.
You going to Antiga?
Yes.
And you haven't been home for how long?
1 year.
And you meet me at the airport.
Yes.
So guess what? You get to see me before the whole of Antiga. Look at that. Antiga, we're on our way. I love Antiga, stop where you want me to talk about this. You know I'm on my way from early, so make sure you get on the ticket and come out for this. My dancer them there. You know what trouble? Yes, that's how we like it. Get ready. Coconut Crush, the queen is on our way. Antiga, get ready, because you know some I go out with a bag of things that we have the sheets in the bag. So come in at the ramping shop. Antiga, the queen is on our way. Right there, so. Yeah. Antiga, the queen is here. Get ready for Coconut Crush. I'm so excited to see you guys. I can't wait. Grab on the ticket from now and come, because you know the queen will come shell down Coconut Crush. I'm excited to be on the beautiful island of Antiga. Oh, you know I'm coming to tear it apart. Let's go.
We'd like to thank you for flying with us this afternoon. Please enjoy your stay here in Antigua or wherever you're traveling. Thank you. Have a safe and happy holiday.
Watch the pretty people there in the Antiga. Yeah. Safe landing. Big up for yourself. Yeah.
Yvette, no. This is Yvette. Fort Jenna, one Fort Jenna. One Fort Jenna, one Fort Jenna, yes. All right. You're doing good. I just said that here. Heart alone. Bang, 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 bang.